Hello Year 6 and welcome to your third RE lesson. Okay, so we're still answering the same question, how and why do people care about the environment? We've looked at the Islam belief, we've looked at the Jewish belief, and now we're going to look at the Hindu response to this question. Okay, so the Hindus believe in a practice of ahimsa. So that means that the environment to them means the natural world. So it's everything around us that is part of the earth and nature. Okay, and ahimsa is specifically the act of non-violence, okay? So that all living things are sacred because they are part of God, so therefore they are part of the natural world, which they're taught to respect, okay? And in that way they show respect for all life, and that includes humans, animals and vegetables as well, in the way they grow them. So a lot of Hindus out of choice might be vegetarian or don't tend to eat animals, as again as a sign of respect for them. They also believe in karma. Now we've talked about this a lot before, in that what you do in this life affects what you will be in the next life, okay, which looks at reincarnation. So they believe that once you die, your soul lives on into another body, and how good you are in the first life, so your life as a human, will determine what form you take, whether that's an animal, a plant, or another person. That will determine. So again, they try not to do negative things like respect the environment and not litter or destroy it in any way, so that they can be reincarnated and have a good life. They also believe that nature can't be destroyed without humans also being destroyed. So we need that natural world to survive, and because every part of that is a part of Brahman. Okay, so the idea of karma allows Hindus to accept responsibility for their actions, and that includes the treatment of their environment, the place that they live. Okay, have an extra think to say, how does this link to our school rules? What are we taught to respect in school, or what are we supposed to respect in school? And why? What purpose does that have? So again, they believe animals are sacred and often worshipped and expressed in religious ceremonies. So Hindus don't eat them. This link is in your resources, and it gives you some information on how eating meat affects the environment. Very interesting to read, Year 6, and it will help your understanding of the Hindu belief about the environment. Okay, and then we've got Moksha, which again is the release from the cycle of reincarnation. So they believe that actually if you do achieve reincarnation, that you can break that cycle and you won't be reincarnated and your soul will be reunited. That again, it depends on how you've treated the world. So this belief that actually what I do now affects whether I will be able to be reunited with Brahma. Okay, greens. So in your own words, explain the meaning of ahimsa and karma, which we've talked about before. Okay, and then can you link those to our school rules? Blues, you're going to use the link in our resources section. I know it says on the PowerPoint, but look at what vegetarianism is, and you're going to design a persuasive vegetarian poster that expresses these beliefs. I do want a little paragraph on that poster of persuasive writing as well to do that, not just the poster with the pictures on. And then reds, you're going to use the information from the PowerPoint and on the link to write a persuasive speech. So I think vegetarian is good because you might not think it's good after reading that. There's no right or wrong, but you are going to write that persuasive speech.